Take your grilling out of the dark ages with the Grillbot Smart Apron. The first apron with a Bluetooth speaker, smart thermometer, and a built-in light that tilts to lock on target, so you can grill with precision, even after dark. Fire up your playlist with the waterproof Bluetooth speaker, grill to your beat, or switch it up. Country twang for laid-back ribs, smooth classical for perfect precision, even goofy dad pop for burger night. Whatever your flavor, this apron makes it better.
Are you grilling to love songs?
Yes, and yes.
With deep pockets, towel straps, and tool holsters, your tongs, sauces, and towels are right where you need them. No more running back and forth. And the Smart Probe charges right in the apron and alerts your phone the moment your food hits perfect temp. No guessing, no stress, just perfect results every time. When you're done, the unit pops out and the apron goes straight into the wash, ready for the next cookout. The Grillbot Smart Apron is the perfect gift for the griller in your life. Order yours today at Grillbots.com. That's Grillbots.com.